Hi, today we are going to talk about basic data types in Python. So what are basic data types? They are integers, floats, booleans, and strings. And these are the short forms over here. An integer is a number without a fractional part. For example, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. A float is a number with a fractional part. For example, -0.987, 1.56, and 2.5. A boolean is two possible truth values. For example, it can be true or false. That's it. A string is a group of characters surrounded by double or single quotes. For example, hello, code, and 123, because they are all surrounded by quotes. This one may be tricky. You may think that it's an integer, but because it's surrounded by double quotes, that makes it a string. And these are the many Python data types. This video just focuses on these four. So now let's practice with basic data types in Python. So this is your question. What is the data type of each value? Feel free to pause the video and try these on your own. So now that you have paused the video, let's review the answers. So the first one is a boolean. The second one is tricky. You may think that it's an integer, but it's actually a float because there's a fractional part over here. The third one is an integer. The fourth is a float. This is an integer. Again, here this is a float because this has a fractional part, and this is a string because it's surrounded by quotes. So Python generally takes on the most inclusive type. So why are there different data types? Essentially, it allows memory on your computer to be managed effectively. Each data type requires a specific amount of storage, which are bits. They are represented as zeros and ones. Your computer makes sure Python is being intelligent in the way it is storing information and uses the computer's memory. So like said before, a bit is 0 or 1, and a byte is made up of 8 bits. For example, 0001 and 0011. And this is memory on your computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped and enjoy your day.